Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate jelly at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a saucepan, whisk, and your favorite serving molds ready to go. This simple recipe is perfect for a delightful dessert. Next, let's get mixing. In your saucepan, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and gelatin powder. Gradually whisk in the 2 cups of milk until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly. It's important not to let it boil, just bring it to a gentle simmer to dissolve the sugar and gelatin properly. Once your mixture reaches a gentle simmer, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, it's time to add that wonderful flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's well combined. Carefully pour the warm chocolate mixture into your chosen serving molds. Make sure your molds are on a flat surface to ensure the jelly sets evenly and beautifully. Finally, it's time for the chilling process. Place your molds in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely set. You'll know it's ready when it's firm and has a delightful wobble. Gently unmold your delicious chocolate jelly onto serving plates. Feel free to garnish with whipped cream or chocolate shavings for an extra special touch. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.